Okay, we're prepping for the AMZChef. Excuse me. We got this off Amazon. It wasn't new because they didn't have any new ones in that color. That's stuck in there. It's going to have a hard time with that. You know, the carrot's in there sideways. Oh, I need a good steak knife to jab it and bring it out of there. And then apply a little pressure that time. Okay. Yeah, I think you gotta slice them thicker than that. So this is the learning curve. That's in there. Back it out. Shouldn't be doing that at the same time. Well, guess we gotta disassemble that to get it out of there. So,
It won't.
okay. Let's unplug this.
Should I stop this?
No, let it keep it going because this is. What'd you do with the thing? And you have to take it apart even more. That's stuck in there. There, pretty badly. Okay.
More grease. Give it a little. Very long time. You're gonna live a very long time eating beets. And don't be alarmed if you have to do number one because it'll look like you're bleeding, but you're not. It's just beets. Beet greens, throw everything in there. dry beets with the greens attached. Just got the greens separately. Is it done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's your. So all you have here is what you have, and it's all almost dry. And then you have your wonderful juice. This can go out in your mulch pile if the deer don't eat it during the night.